Hello guys and welcome back on channel From Zero to Millionaire. Today I show you how to grab €5 bonus from program Letysshop. Are you interested? So let's go.
But before we get into it, and if you're new here and you like videos about making money online and working from home, then go hit the subscription channel and that notification bell below to know when I post a new video.
Before I go forward and show you how to grab €5 bonus, I need to speak about this program. What it is this program? This program gives you cashback from all orders what you make using this program. So you need to create account on this program. If you doesn't have this account, you will find my link in description. And when you make account, you can make order by this program with this web page, and you grab commissions. How many commissions you can grab? It depends what store and depends what level you have of your Letysshop. What do you have mean in level? So let's go to my admin panel and I show you. Like you see in admin panel, we have status, and depends what status you have is what amount of commissions you get. So when you're beginning of this program, you're using commissions what is described in every program. Every program has different percent of cashback. But if you make orders and you grab commissions, in my case, because I am in a Polish currency, have 14 zloty commissions, I went to bronze status, and bronze status give me, like its description here, your rate will increase 10% from basic. So I get more commissions than I started on beginning. If I make more orders, for example, 200 zloty, I get 20%. And when I make orders for 600 zloty, I will have status gold, and my rate will be increased to 15%. And you don't need left here money to change the status. You can pay out money, and this will be calculated to upgrade to your status in this program. What program working on this Letysshop company? It's a lot of shops joined to this program, and every month joining something new. So I can show you something for US. Like you see, this is most popular company from this program. So like you see, it's Macy's, Best Buy, Microsoft, AliExpress, Etsy. So a lot of company. This is how many cashback you can grab. For example, on AliExpress you have 5%, but for example here we have styles, you have up to 10%. And this is not all, because they have over 2,000 stores joined to this program. And of course, every country has a different pool of the program what you can use. This is, for example, for US. If you look for Polish, like my country, it's something similar, but different brands. From brands, what you can know is Booking, is for accommodation. AliExpress is the same. Of course, is shopping. MediaMarkt is something like Best Buy, if you don't know. This is some store with grocery. This is from electronic stuff. Flixbus is with some transportation. I think this is international company, so part of you should be know what is the company. But we can back to a US store and see all stores with cashback. And like you see, it's more company like what you can use. This is something like Groupon, Expedia, and of course everything is in categories, so you can choose from category, for example, travel. And if you're going somewhere, you make reservation for some accommodation, some transportation, you can use this web page and make reservation and grab some cashback from orders to get some additional money back to your wallet. So like you see, it's hotels.com, Booking, with something popular. Of course, you can choose some food delivery. So like you see, is a couple of company what is US. If you want to order some food, this is something good for you. So this is information how this program works. So now I'll show you how to grab a €5 bonus, and this bonus is from a referral program. So let's go to section with referral program, and I'll show you how it's working. So like you see, I'm on the referral webpage, and here is information how it's working. So here is information. If you refer new friends to this program, you and the person who refer get €5 bonus. So if this person create account from your referral link, if they're making a purchase in €20 in 1 month, you and this person who you refer, both you get €5 to balance on your account. It is an interesting program because you can get cashback, and if you invite some person to this program and they will be qualified to get bonus, you and this person get a €5 bonus. So it's additional free money if you will be use this program and will be refer this program. How to get link to start referring? Very simple. Log into this program, and if you are on your admin, you should see a yellow button here, invite your friends, or big banner with referral person, or here in menu you should see refer and earn. So click on this link in menu, and now you should see a link. So just copy this link, send to your friends, and start earn some bonus from a person who referred to this program.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, enable notifications, and we will see in the next one.